guys, this is Wonder Grace. So for today's video, samahan niyo ako explore ang Dubai Mall. So let's go guys! Hey guys, we're heading to Dubai Mall now. It's kind of traffic right now guys, but it's okay. Let's trust the process. Hi guys! So finally, dito tayo sa Dubai Mall. So ready na ba kayo guys? Oh, ready. Papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang Dubai Mall. Let's go! Outfit check! So ito na guys, without any further ado, so let's dive into it. I will tour you around here at Dubai Mall. But right now guys, mag-isa lang tayo kaya naka-tripod lang tayo. But anyway, here's a brief description of Dubai Mall. Situated at the heart of it all in downtown Dubai, and it's the most visited retail and lifestyle destination in the world. Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano katataas yung mga stores nila dito. Ganyan guys. So, diba? Dito tayo sa taas. So mamaya pupunta tayo dun sa baba. Ayan. Meron pa na dito dinosaur. Ayan guys. At ang gaganda and elegant ng mga interiors din nila dito guys. Look at this one. Tapos overlooking siya dun sa baba. Napaka-elegant, diba? So as we continue walking guys, papunta naman tayo ngayon sa Dubai Mall Waterfall. Kasi connecting siya dun sa way na yan. So ayan, that's the easiest way para makapunta dyan guys. So good thing na lang kasi actually guys malaki talaga ang Dubai Mall. So kung di mo siya talaga kabisado, maliligaw ka talaga sa sobrang laki as in. Kaya ayan, good thing dyan tayo napadaan guys. So let's go! So ito na nga guys, nandito na tayo sa Dubai Mall Waterfalls. So the Dubai Mall Waterfalls comprises of two tubular structures which are 30 meters in diameter. It also has an overhead reservoir which feeds recycled water. Guys, so kung nandito kayo sa Dubai Mall, don't forget to visit this one. Isa yun sa mga tourist spots dito. Ang ganda guys. As you can see. Medyo nagugutom na ako guys, so punta muna tayo dito sa Paparotti. Nag-crave kasi ako eh. Let's go! Hi guys, so nandito tayo sa Paparotti. So nag-crave lang ako ng bread nila kasi masarap yung bread nila. Ito guys. Ayan. Guys, favorite ko yan. Almond, chocolate, and then fresh na watermelon. Let's eat! Nandito naman tayo sa Dubai Aquarium. Ayan. Isa rin to sa tourist spots guys. So let's go. Papakita ko sa inyo. Hindi tayo papasok sa loob. Lalabas lang tayo guys. Okay, let's go. Ito na nga. Andito na tayo guys sa Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. So ito guys is nag-open siya from Monday to Thursday. It's 10 a.m. until 11 p.m. Pero ang last entry niya is 10:15 p.m. And then on weekends like Friday until Sunday, it's 10 a.m. until 12 a.m. Tapos ang last entry niya is 11:15. Immerse yourself in a mesmerizing underwater world at Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, one of the largest suspended aquariums on the planet. Journey beneath the surface and discover 140 species and 300 plus majestic sharks and rays, all housed within a 1 million liter tank located on the ground floor of Dubai Mall. So ganun talaga siya kalaki guys, as in pag nakita mo siya, as in napaka-massive niya talaga. So yung mga tickets naman is meron kayong options. Merong silver, gold, platinum, and UAE residence offer. So meron kayong mga pagpipilian kung ano yung mga packages na pwede nyong i-avail kapag pumunta kayo dito guys. So ayan, as you can see, ang laki talaga ng mga sharks and stingrays. So sulit naman talaga guys yung pagpunta nyo dyan. So ayan, talagang nakaka-relax siya actually. So guys, to be continued, see you on part 2.